Welcome to this podcast. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel by simply clicking on the subscribe button below this video. This will ensure that you always get our new and updated podcasts on transfer pricing. Okay, let's jump right in. In today's podcast, we will be summarizing a recent transfer pricing case. Let's take a look at Indonesia versus PK Manufacturing Limited, March 2020 Supreme Court, case number 366-B-PK-PJK-2020. PK Manufacturing Limited was a contract manufacturer of cabins for excavators for the Japanese parent and paid royalties for use of IP owned by the parent. Following an audit, the tax authorities issued an assessment where deductions for royalty payments were disallowed due to lack of documentation for ownership to intellectual property by the Japanese parent. Furthermore, the tax authorities did not see any economic benefit for the contract manufacturer in paying the royalties, as it had been continuously loss-making. The company disagreed and brought the case to court. The Court of Appeal ruled in favor of the tax authorities. Existence and ownership to the intellectual property in question had not been sufficiently documented by the Japanese parent company. The Supreme Court dismissed the request for review filed by PK Company Limited. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Remember, click on the subscribe button below this video to always get our new and updated transfer pricing podcasts. Have a great day.